In this video we're taking an honest and careful look at Bitdefender Password Manager to see if it's worth paying for and whether it meets your security and convenience needs. The service uses strong encryption standards, including AS256, SHA-512, and BCRYPT, with local encryption so even Bitdefender can't access your passwords. It supports biometrics like Face ID and Windows Hello, two-factor authentication, and account recovery options in case you forget your master password. The pricing is reasonable, especially if bundled with Bitdefender security products, making it a budget-friendly option for individuals. It offers browser extensions, mobile apps, password generation, form filling, and secure notes, but it lacks more advanced features like passkey support, family sharing, or emergency access. Some users report that autofill can be inconsistent on certain sites, especially banking platforms, and there is no dedicated desktop app, which may feel limiting compared to competitors like Bitwarden or 1Password. Overall, it's a solid choice for users seeking basic, secure password management, particularly if you already use Bitdefender's security suite, but it may fall short for those looking for advanced features or family-oriented tools. For more honest and practical tech reviews, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.